What's going on, guys? My name is Dimitri and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to break down for you guys how to utilize Notion rollups, explain what they are, and break them down as much as I can in the software Notion. Before we get into the topic of this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can stay up to date with all of my latest videos. So Notion rollups are essentially a function of relational databases. You can have different properties connect with each other in Notion via the fact that they are connected. You can make a rollup, which is like, okay, so I'm connected to this. Let's show a little property that comes from that relational databases. Tag, status, date, whatever you want. To show you exactly what I'm talking about and how to use them, let's dive right into Notion. All right, really quick, let's showcase what a relational database is again so that you guys can see what a rollup is exactly. So if we go here, you can see there's two different tables, and what I had done already was go to creating a new property, making a relation, and then relating it to social media posts. So I just made two relations of the same thing. So I'm just gonna delete this one, but that was the example. So now basically a rollup is very simple and easy to do. If you create a new property, scroll down to advanced, rollup, say we wanna bring in the social media post name, or not the social media, say we wanna pull in the publish date, then we go to configure rollup, select the social media existing relation, we're gonna just go publish date. So social media post 3 doesn't have anything yet, but if we make it the 12th, it'll show up now. Now, this is nice to see for other aspects too. So if I say had a sort of select option for status, so we want to see whether it's finished or not. Idea, this is kind of what I have for my own stuff. Written. Scheduled, and then published or posted. So if we want to see it's written, we can go to the relational rollups here. Let's edit this rollup to change to the status. We can see that it's only a written status. What's really nice actually is that you can do something that I think is unique. So if we go to the rollups once again, there are different aspects of it that don't exactly work unless you kind of finagle things. So when it comes to publish date, you have to change how it works. You can't have it be set, say if you want to have a calendar view of a rollup date. So for my social media post, which I will show you at the end of this, I have a rollup. It's kind of a calculated rollup. So there's different calculations you can have for any property, right? So it's like show original, unique values, count all, count values, count empty, yeah. And you can go through all the tooltips here, and Notion is nice enough to give you those. But for me, with what I have, you have to press earliest date to make a Notion rollup calendar. So if we go to earliest date here, this is the rollup social media post date. And then I put parentheses bad because it's like the one you want to hide. So if you don't want to see it and it's because it's all ugly and stuff, you can then press hide property, right? And then hide always. And you always undo that and see it again, but we hide the properties again. And say we want to take this video table and turn it into a calendar, right? We want it to showcase things by the social media post rollup date. So just to clarify, we can go here after we've made this connection with the social media post date, and we actually can make another rollup that it's like better looking. Post date. And then we can actually pick the right one. So now, as you guys remember, we're gonna not change this and it'll show that, but if we change it, it'll help with the calendar view. So then we add a view, go to calendar,
Then we go to this calendar by social media post date bad. Now, if we didn't have that calculation done, this would not work, but it does. And after that's done, you can get rid of this other property that it'll auto create when you make a calendar, and you're perfectly fine and can create a Notion rollup that'll then give you a calendar view with that rollup.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think rollups are something that I didn't utilize actually for the first like 6-7 months of having Notion, and Notion and building it out is a step-by-step process. I think what would actually be good is if maybe I went across the entire software and from start to finish helped you guys build something. Now I can do a whole live stream of that, or I can make a bunch of videos. We'll see. If you have an idea or question or suggestion, please leave them down in the comment section down below. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.